Welcome to Scout Automobile. Today, we're diving into the absolute pinnacle of German luxury and engineering excellence, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Synonymous with status, innovation, and elegance, the S-Class has long stood as this flagship not just of Mercedes-Benz, but of the entire luxury sedan segment. And in 2026, it returns better than ever, smarter, smoother, and more sophisticated in every conceivable way. At first glance, the 2026 S-Class doesn't scream for attention with aggressive lines or outlandish proportions. Instead, it whispers confidence through its refined design. The updated grille is wider and more imposing, with an illuminated surround that gives it a regal presence at night. The LED digital light headlamps, now standard, are slimmer and more intelligent than before, projecting guiding symbols and road warnings directly onto the pavement. The body lines have been gently massaged for better aerodynamics, reducing drag, while enhancing visual fluidity. Sleek door handles remain flush, and the extended wheelbase ensures that presence is never in short supply. Whether it's rolling up to a five-star hotel or gliding silently through the city. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class offers a refined lineup of powertrains, blending performance with efficiency. The S584M ATIC remains a staple, powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 with mild hybrid EQ boost technology. It produces a silky 496 horsepower and 516 pounds-ft of torque, allowing the S-Class to surge from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds. But speed is delivered with grace. Power comes on smooth, and shifts are nearly imperceptible thanks to the 9-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking electrified luxury, the S580e plug-in hybrid continues with improved electric-only range, now offering up to 70 miles on battery alone, thanks to a larger 28.6 kilowatt-hours battery pack. A rear-mounted electric motor adds extra punch, and seamless transitions between electric and gas power make it one of the most refined hybrid experiences on the market. Inside the cabin, the 2026 S-Class continues its tradition of offering the finest automotive interiors anywhere on Earth. Open the soft closed doors, and you're greeted by a sanctuary of handcrafted leather, natural wood veneers, and futuristic tech. The new generation of MBUX Mercedes-Benz user experience has taken a major leap forward. A massive 15-inch OLED central display dominates the dashboard, flowing into the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Both displays are customizable, ultra-responsive, and now powered by a next-gen AI chip capable of learning driver habits and preferences with astonishing accuracy. Mercedes has taken personalization to the next level. From ambient lighting that adapts to your mood in driving style to an upgraded 4D Burmester surround sound system that uses seat-based transducers to let you feel your music. The S-Class is a rolling concert hall. Even the climate control has been refined. Each seat features micro-adjustable ventilation, heated massage with 10 programs, and active posture support, turning every drive into a wellness session. Rear seat passengers arguably get the best deal. The executive line package transforms the back seats into first-class lounge chairs, complete with extendable leg rests, built-in tablet controls, and rear entertainment displays. Need to take a business call or a nap? The rear cabin offers active noise cancellation, powered privacy shades, and even a refrigerator with champagne flutes, because why not? Driving the 2026 S-Class is an experience unlike any other. The new Airmatic suspension, coupled with predictive road scanning, ensures that potholes and imperfections are virtually eliminated. Rear axle steering now offers up to 10 degrees of turning angle, making this long sedan feel nimble in tight city streets. Active ride stabilization helps keep body roll in check during spirited cornering, Although, let's be honest, this car encourages a more graceful, unhurried pace. Safety has always been a hallmark of the S-Class, and the 2026 model doesn't disappoint. The intelligent drive system now integrates with city infrastructure in supported areas to anticipate traffic lights, pedestrian crossings, and even weather-related road conditions. Level 3 autonomous driving is rolling out in select markets, allowing for hands-off cruising in traffic up to 40 miles per hour. It also includes advanced emergency evasive maneuvers and driver monitoring systems that learn your typical behavior and can intervene if something seems off. Of course, the S-Class also speaks to those who value craftsmanship and status. Every detail, from the stitching pattern in the seats to the fragrance-infused air vents, has been calibrated to elevate the luxury experience. Whether you're behind the wheel or being chauffeured, this vehicle delivers an atmosphere of composed opulence. In terms of pricing, expect a base model around $115,000, with higher trims like the S580e or S680 Maybach easily pushing beyond $150,000 and into Rolls-Royce territory when fully optioned. But that's exactly the point. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a benchmark. It's a technological flagship, and it's a rolling declaration that you're not just moving through the world, you're gliding above it. In the end, the 2026 S-Class doesn't radically reinvent the formula. It doesn't have to. What it does is refine, elevate, and perfect what a luxury car should be. It's not just the best S-Class yet. It's possibly the most complete car ever built. R.